Today we have the 2023 Dacia Duster. This vehicle has done just under 22,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, Bluetooth, settings, and vehicle. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC.